also tried to spread it across the country so that every corner of this country, every constituency is represented.
I graduated from Kenyatta University last year, December, and I was doing public policy and administration. So I'm hoping I'll get maybe in a field where I'm specialized.
I'm expecting to get a post in the environmental field. My expectation is to maybe after this internship to get a permanent job and stop looking for this job. It's so tiring.
And we want to encourage the private sector and all other employers to come out and, adapt this system of supporting the country in the sense that we prepare youth for the job market. The university train them, but out here, the job market, we don't train them how to work. You must actually get a placement in a work environment so that you learn the skills.